Huh? Was the Android phone bought in Japan? I heard the shutter sound can be turned off. Is it true? Yeah. Actually, in Japan, all phones, you can't turn the shutter off. Yeah. So, okay, I have a Japanese iPhone. Listen, it's on silent mode. Watch. It's on silent. What? Are they? It doesn't make a sound. Are they? That was different from what I imagined. Wait, but it used to. I guess I bypassed the system. I don't know. Maybe it's location based? Yeah. There's a reason for that. I know. It's to prevent upskirting. Yeah, in Japan. And like privacy. It's not just upskirting, it's also privacy.